Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to BSS Online Education. I am the Soldier, your maths teacher. Today I'm going to teach you exercise 14.1 from Level Up Maths. Let's enter Level Up Maths 14.1, page number 214. Right, this is about forming shapes with the triangles. Like with joining the triangles, we can make some shapes. We're gonna work out with these. Some craft work we're gonna do a little bit if we need it. Question number 3, we are starting. Copy these two shapes. So when you have to draw in your copy, it's given, these pictures given in your book, so same to same we have to draw it, and then they're telling split each into two same size triangle. It's mean, as you can see, that the middle line I have drawn it later. At the first time it was not there. Split means you have to cut from one corner to another corner. Diagonal line you have to draw that. The first picture, which is parallelogram, they have given. So from this corner, if I cut it, two identical triangle, we can find out 1 and 1. As you can see that the second kite picture, if we cut from middle, this is a triangle, this is another triangle. Now B number, they are asking for each shapes, write down where the triangles are reflection or rotations. So first one, we can see that it's a rotation work, we can get it. Second one is reflections. Let I clearly confirm that what is reflections. When same size, same things, but in opposite way it comes, it's called the reflections. And rotation, it's same center but turning with the 4 right angle, means quarter, half turn, 3/4 turn, just turning like in a clockwise, anti-clockwise. But reflections is there is a mirror line. As you can see that this is a mirror line, look like exactly the mirror line, opposite sides, both are exactly same to same. So from this picture we can see that exactly opposite, these sides are okay. So kite is a reflection, but exactly opposite, if we check that, this is not possible. Why this is not possible? This corner, if you fold it, it's coming over here, not exactly opposite sides. So parallelogram, the first one we can get that is rotations. By turning this triangle can comes this positions over here by rotations. Question number 4, for each of these shapes, say whether you can make it from two identical triangle. Like a same word in your mind, in your mind you have to think that whatever the they say, whatever the shapes name they are telling, these things, or either you can draw on the side or you can keep it, remember in your mind, and then you have to work out, do you need rotation or reflection or both of them. Some of the shapes have a both of them. We all know that those shapes are regular shapes, like all the sides are equal. That's work both of them. For example, the first one, the kite one, as you can see that kite we have done it before, which is reflections. And rhombus, what is rhombus? Rhombus, it's 4 side equal shapes, but they're all the angles are not a right angle. That's why we can say that whenever the rhombus reflect each other, like diagonal, if we cut down, exactly opposite side is coming, and rotation also it can coming. And I said you that those are regular shapes, those sides are equal. Easily you can remember these will be both shapes. As I can tell you, rhombus and a square, these two are regular shapes, their sides, all the sides are equal. So rhombus and square is both, means reflection, rotation possible. Parallel and rectangle, as you can see that their sides are not equal. So we can say that this is rotations way we can find out their after cutting the triangles, you can find out their opposites way. By rotations we can join in the triangles. Let's come question number 5, scratch an equilateral triangle. What is equilateral triangle? 3 sides equal a triangle. Triangle means 3 sides, but these 3 sides all are equal. It's called equilateral triangle. So we have to draw this one first in your copy. Then how many lines of symmetry does it has? What is symmetry line? The line which can divide a shapes equally. As you can see that first, if I draw a line vertically, these 2 triangles I got it from these. So these 2 are same to same. Target this corner and I can cut it. These 2 sides are equal, and if I cut from this corner, 2 sides are equal. And remember, equilateral also regular shapes, their sides are equal, is it? So for these regular shapes, symmetry line rules is How many line of symmetry? That should be the number of line. How many sides of sides of these shapes? That should be number of line symmetry. As equilateral, 3 sides. That should be number of line, 3 line of symmetry. Square, 4 side, 4 line of symmetry. Pentagon, 5 side, 5 line of symmetry. These are basic rules for our symmetry. What is the order of rotations? As I say to you that if it's regular shapes, its rotations also be possible, and they are asking what rotations. Like you can see that there is a center and 3 triangle we can got it. So like a clock, if you think that this is the center of the clock, these triangle gonna turning one by one, and it's gonna join each other. So 3 rotations we can do over here. For example, this triangle turning to another one, like 1, 2, third one, exactly coming same positions. So 3 rotations we can get it the symmetry. Let's enter the next word. B number. Split equilateral triangle. It's been there saying that you have to cut it, 2 identical triangle, we got it, and work out 1 triangle. If I cut it from here, remember that is equilateral triangle. 3 sides are equal, 3 angles are equal. 3 angles means 60, 60, 60. Equilateral triangles, their angles always at 60 degree. Now C number, normally a straight line we're getting. From the straight line I did half of them, so 180 half of which is 90. So angle of C in the ABC triangle we got it, it's 90. And B number obviously 60 because of equilateral triangle. And A number, C and A, exactly you can see that A it was 60 but I make it half of them, is it? So it's obviously 30 degree. So we got 30, 60, 90. A is 30, 60, then 90 degree. Comes next questions. Question number 6. You can make a square using 2 identical triangle. First you have to draw a square, like all the sides equal, all the angles are equal. 90, 90, 90, 90. Fine. Draw a diagonal line. You just draw the diagonal line. We can make 2 triangle. Now they are asking what type of triangle is this. First of all, you can target corners. This is right angle 90 degree. This is right angle 90 degree. And then you have to measure these sides. As we know that square, these line and these line must be equal. So these twos are equal if it's isosceles triangle. So we can tell that 2 sides two sides are equal. And also right angle isosceles triangle is this one. B number they are telling, work out the angles of these triangles. Simply if we target, for example, same picture I have drawn again over here to show you the clear concepts for the angles. A number, which is 90 because right angles angle, fine. B and C, same thing, you can see that it was 90, I just did half of them. So 90 half is 45, these two is 45, 45, and one is 90. So that is our answer is 90, 45, 45. So this type of maths that could be very easy for you when you have an idea about basic few things like right angle 90 degree, square all the corners are 90, and equilateral triangle 3 sides equal. Equilateral triangle angles always 60 in each side, each angles. So that could be very helpful for you. Thanks for today. Allah Hafiz.